Welcome back to my channel. My name is Krista. And for today's video, we will be doing a 90s inspired makeup look. So, if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. Ayan, mag-start tayo with a clean face. For my primer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Smoothing Face Primer. Then, gagamitin ko itong LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Peach to correct my under eye circles. Then for my concealer, I'll be using the BLK Cosmetics All Day Brightening Correcting Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. So ayan, mapapansin nyo, talagang mas light yung ginamit kong concealer para magkaroon ng brightening effect talaga dun sa under eye area ko. And then i-highlight ko na rin yung highest points sa aking face using this concealer. For my foundation, I'll be using the Vice Duo Finish Foundation in the shade Chesa. As much as possible, use foundations na medyo matte ang finish. And kung mapapansin nyo, I'm also using a patting motion sa pag-apply nitong foundation na to para magkaroon ng mas magandang coverage and para hindi siya mag-cling sa aking mga dry patches since meron akong combination to sensitive skin and meron akong areas sa face ko na meron talagang dry patches. And also, medyo light talaga siya sa umpisa pero magto-tone down siya later on. For the kilay part, hindi na ako masyadong magkikilay and gagamitin ko na lang yung Sunnies Face Lifebrow Grooming Gel in the shade Ash Brown. My eyeshadow, I'll be using the NYX Away with Glow na palette and gagamitin ko lang yung matte na lightest brown shade sa palette. Dito ilalagay ko lang yung shade na yon sa buong eyelid area ko and also doon sa lower lash line. Then, blend hanggang maging soft yung itsura niya. And then, I'll be using the darkest brown shade sa palette na to. As much as possible, ilalagay ko siya doon sa pinaka-close sa aking upper lash line. And then, i-blend ko lang din ulit siya para maging soft yung effect. And then, same na shade, ilalagay ko sa aking lower lash line. To tight line, gagamitin ko itong EB Advanced Eye Define Waterproof Matic Eyeliner. Ito yung ginamit kong shade, yung shade na Mocha, para mas natural looking and hindi masyado lumiit yung mata ko. For my eyeliner, gagamitin ko itong NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black. And ang gagawin ko, medyo lalagyan ko lang siya ng wing. Then, I'll be curling my lashes na. For my mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. Ayan, at dahil sobrang flat ng aking face, gagamit lang ako ng bronzing powder. For my bronzer, I'll be using the BYS Matte Bronzing Powder. For my nose contour, gagamitin ko lang yung bronzer dito sa EB Advanced Face Trio in Fig Trio na palette. For my blush on, I'll be using the Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Uploaded. And medyo ilalagay ko lang siya sa side ng aking cheeks. For the lips, I'll be using the Sunnies Face Flat Matte in the shade Nudist. So, ang gagawin ko, mag-mix na lang ako since wala akong medyo dark na shade ng lipstick. Next shade ng Flat Matte is itong sa 143. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa inner part ng aking lips. And then, medyo i-blend out ko na lang siya. And this is the final look.
So, ayan yung aking 90s inspired makeup look. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And ayun po, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit mo rin notification bell para lagi ka updated sa mga bago kong videos. And you can also follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram, Krista Satana. And also, meron na rin po akong Charis store. Invite ko po kayo to visit my store. So, ilalagay ko po yung link sa description box. Thank you for watching. Bye!